My good people, thank Baba God. Baba God don say allow us see another day. Today, my yarnings go dey come from the yarnings when Cristiano Ronaldo drop for the Globe Soccer Award. When he talk say the Saudi League better pass the French League One. How na reason that matter? But to me, I no really feel just talk say anyone better, But I just in a way, I just believe say the two league dey beat average. But I just believe say the Saudi league dey more competitive. You dey get me? The guy talk about the weather aspect. But if you really look the French league now, if you comot PSG, nobody really dey there. Marseille na big club. Monaco na big club. Lyon na big club, but they no dey turn up. You dey get me? Every season na PSG. Get where e go reach, e go dey boring. That make for German league when Leverkusen win the league, Bayern Leverkusen win the league last season, everybody dey happy because people don tire for Bayern Munich dominance. You dey get? If one particular club don dey dominate league every time, e dey make the league dey boring. Make competitiveness dey the league. You understand? Make the league dey competitive. When match dey happen, you see PSG fit just dey play Lyon now. Lyon na big club, they just trash them as if na one kind small club they play. You understand? That make people they feel say that what's it called, French league no level. But if you see na PSG, according to what even Ronaldo even talk, na PSG get all the money. Fear go fit let Lyon or Marseille spend 90 million to buy player. Now that one be the issue. Now make not only them really dey the league. The French league no dey competitive. See PSG for Champions League now. They no fit ball. You understand? So if you see consider Saudi get all the money. Almost all the leagues, almost all the clubs for there, they get the money to buy players when they won't buy. You understand? The weather aspect, and that one I say on that point too. That's why most of the time, if you look some of our top stars when you go there, you don't see they struggle. They struggle because the weather now mad. The weather now no be beans now. 37 degree. We dey run for 37 degree. They run for 40 degree. You feel die now. You dey get me. So it's not really easy. So I get where the guy they come from. You dey get me. I get where the guy they come from. Now make the league even become boring for the Neymar, the Messi, and no competitiveness for the league. And league go just before league start, you don't already know na PSG won winner. Even if they feel they mumu, they come, they feel they lose match. Other club feel they on top. Before you know, they just sing them around. Even if they just sing them around, they just win the league. You go, the one that say, this thing is boring, May so kind fun see day. So last now, League One see reply the Ronaldo yesterday, when they drop quotes, when they tell us, say they just drop picture, talk about say Messi win the World Cup for 38 degrees. That is when he winner for Qatar. So you understand now? So now normal now. Everybody must defend their own. But to me, I just feel say the two league they average at best. But I believe say if you compare the two, the Saudi league they more competitive than the League One. But I believe say if League One, like all those League One clubs, like all those other clubs, they fit get owners like the PSG owners, it go dey more competitive. You understand? Imagine say the Marseille, the Monaco, the Lyon get owners like PSG owners. It go dey more competitive now. At least you go to see, as in they go fit afford the good players. They go fit afford to buy good players, spend money, they buy big name stars. But anyhow, wetin me still dey feel na say na lack of funding yes they affect League One. You remember when what's it called come out that day? Mbappe. They get issue with sponsor to sponsor the league. You dey get now one player just come out like that too. So you know if it happen for some kind of league. Imagine Premier League now. One big name star go come out now. Premier League now. They'll come they find sponsor. No now. That be the thing. So I just believe in our funding they affect the League One. If they get owners like PSG, the other clubs, I believe they go dey more competitive. But my people, what's una reason? Which league dey more competitive? The Saudi league or the French League One? My people, una do.